Hello guys, welcome back to BBFS Trading Strategies. So in today's video I am going to show you this wonderful powerful strategy that you are going to use to catch multiple spike in boom and crash market. So if you are watching this video, watch the end. So I am going to show you, we have 5 indicators. So I am going to show you the indicators used in this strategy. The indicator, we have 5 indicators here. So let me show you guys the indicator. So we have our moving averages, 3 moving averages. The first moving average that we have here, we have period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close guys, start at 2 pixel, any color of your choice. You click save. We don't need level our moving average. So the second moving average here, we have period 200, method exponential, apply to close, then 2 pixel, also any color of your choice guys. You click save. The third indicator here, we have period 48, shift 0, method exponential, also apply to close, then 2 pixel, any color of your choice. You click save. So on our window 1 indicator, we have our relative strength index. We have period 14, apply to close guys, then start 2 pixels so that the line will not be visible. So you put the color you are using to trade. If it is black or white, you add it. I am using white, I added white. You can see it. You cannot see the line when I save it. Then what we need here, we need level 10 and we need level 90, then 3 pixel here, any color of your choice guys. You click save. Then we have to add on our window 1 indicator, we have to add MACD. In this MACD we have fast EMA, slow EMA, and MACD SMA. You can see it here. We have 30, we have 80, and we have 1. Then you apply to close. Main 1 pixel, signal 2 pixel, then any color of your choice guys. Any color that you like to use, you use it. Then you click save. This is the indicator. We have 5 indicators here that we are going to use in this boom and crash strategy. So guys, let's go back. Okay, as you can see, I hope you guys are seeing it. So as you can see it here now, let's draw our cycle again. As you can see, are you seeing that the first condition to be met here guys is your moving averages? Okay, you will make sure that your moving averages is in order. Okay, you make sure that the red and the black is above. As you can see, what we are using here now is boom 500. So if you are trading boom, if you want to catch spike in boom, you see the red and the black moving average, they are very important there. Make sure they are above the blue moving average. Okay, if it is not above the blue moving average, you first wait for the first spike. When it first spike, you make sure that the spike cross the red moving average. The first spike cross the red moving average. If it did not cross, you wait for the second spike. You make sure that it crossed the red moving average, then you enter. Okay, you enter. But before you do this guys, there is one thing you have to be always checking. Check your 1 hour time frame. Make sure that it's trading the same thing with your 1 minute time frame. If it is trading the same thing with your 1 minute time frame, then you will know that it must surely go up and you will catch a lot of spike. So you can see it now guys. This is spiked up, you enter. You see it went up and up and up. You catch a lot of spike guys. You can see it here. You make sure that your MACD is below before you enter. You cannot just come and you just enter the market. Make sure that your MACD is below the zero level. And you will look at your moving averages. If it is above the blue line, then you wait for the first spike. and make sure that the first spike cross the red moving average. Same thing with here. Are you seeing it? Then it spiked. The first spike didn't cross. It came down a little bit again. It now spiked the second one. The second one crossed it. You enter. And it went up, guys. Let's see it. Let's see how it goes. Did you see the up? Guys, it went up. So you can see it now. It came down here again. It came down here again. Guys, because in your 5-minute time frame, let's go and check it. Okay, you see your 5-minute time frame is at the overbought level, so it's going to come down a little bit. It will continue spiking, but it's going to come down a little bit before it starts spiking, because it has already touched the overbought level. And when you shift the screen, you can see that the screen is not coming down. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back. As you can see it now, I seen it. It's not coming down. Shows you that it's at the overbought level. So it's going to draw down before it will go back again. It's going to draw down. So if you enter for spike here, if you are, it's not enough to carry it, guys, you might blow that account. You might blow that account. Okay, so you have to wait for the first spike first before you enter for your spike, before you catch spike in the market. If you didn't wait for the first spike, you enter waiting for the spike to spike, and it keeps coming down, you are losing your money more. So you have to wait for the spike to spike and cross the red moving average. It's very important. Let's check our 1 hour time frame. Okay, guys, you see it. Are you seeing the 1 hour time frame? Are you seeing it? You see the moving average. The blue is below, while the black and red is above, and they are all moving up. While in your 1 hour, in 1 minute frame, is still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So guys, from here now you can catch a lot of spike, a lot of spike. Always check your 1 hour time frame to see what your 1 hour time frame is doing before you enter the market, guys. Before you enter the market. Okay, let's check crash. Let's check if you can see a very strategy here. Let's check crash 500. Okay, guys, crash 500 is selling, but the selling is not clear. The selling is not clear, but it's selling. So you have to go to your 1 time frame, okay, to make sure that it's doing the same thing. Okay, so guys, as you can see, when it crossed this here, when it is above here, are you seeing it? It crossed down. Do you see it? It crossed down here. It also crossed down. So it indicates sell. It indicates sell, but you have to wait. Now we have not seen a place to enter this trade, guys. I did not see. I make sure that I see my condition before I will enter. So that's why I'm saying that the 1 hour time frame is not clear at all. It's not clear. So guys, if you don't take care, you might blow your account. But guys, you can see this place now. This place is clear. Okay, you see the spike, it comes down, it pushed back, it now started spiking. Are you seeing the spike, guys? Are you seeing the spike? This strategy works. It works very well, guys. Always wait for your condition. Don't rush the trade. Don't rush it. So guys, you see here it crossed. I seen it. It crossed our blue moving average. The black crossed the blue moving average. In this case, you will not enter. You must wait for that spike to come first and cross the red moving average before you go in for spike. So guys, I think I'll end this video for here, guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comment. I do appreciate. I don't take it for granted at all. So guys, if you know you are new and you're watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also like this video, comments down below so that I will know that you are new to this channel. And I love you guys so much, and I'll keep dropping content for you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye for now.